Since its debut at the 1964 Detroit Autorama, the Ridler is one of the country's most prestigious automotive awards that concerns customs and hot rod car owners and builders. Given annually to an exceptional vehicle that falls under the strict, never been shown before guidelines, the folks who win this prize become members of a very, very elite group. Imagine spending over $2 million, 4,000 man hours, and 16 years of your life to build a dream machine that has never seen the light of day, never been on social media, no photos. I mean, this thing was kept in secret. Yeah, that's as insane as it sounds. And 2020's winner, impressive, is just that. It looks like a 63 Chevy wagon, but there's nothing that can be put into an actual 63 Chevy wagon. From nose to tail, this Chevrolet has been massaged and re-engineered for the sole purpose to take home the Ridler Award. What's amazing about these cars is that they're more of a work of art than a daily driver. It's an artistic representation of the skill and craftsmanship of the creator versus anything that a reasonable human would call practical. But that's why these guys do it, just to show off their skills while spending thousands of hours, millions of dollars, all for a chance to win $10,000. I mean, the reality is they would gladly accept no money at all, as the award itself is more valuable than any monetary compensation. But alas, I think Meguiars might need to freshen up that pot a little bit. Add another 0, maybe 2. Inflation, you know? All right. This competition is going on for decades, and if you want to see some of the winners, we have a link below, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe icon. You're going to get notified every time that we post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys and girls, and Ridler Award winners, and RestoMod enthusiasts. Oh, I almost forgot. If you're a RestoMod enthusiast, you might want to check out RestoMods.com. Every quarter, we give away a classic muscle car that is guaranteed to turn some heads. Check us out at RestoMods.com.